Oh, hi, didn't see you there. I'm just trying to make some donuts now. Welcome, I'm making donuts. Because I feel like making more desserts. And I have this thing. It's a deep fryer. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna fry some donuts,
I need oil.
apparently, that was just bad. And I'm turning it the wrong way. So I'm going to fill this deep fryer thing about to here, because that's where my mom told me to fill it to, even though there's a line that says maximum that's over there. Ah, it's splashing on me. Don't worry, it's not plugged in. I'm getting oil in my eyes. Now let's see, how does this fit? Yeah, that fits. Now that's kind of oily, but that's okay. Oil be gone. In my eye! You know how uncomfortable it is to donut oil in, no, just oil in your eye? It's pretty uncomfortable. So I'm gonna put that aside. Turn on. And I'm using, again, the internet for my video, since for my ingredients. To make donut dough, I'm gonna heat this. The thing is, this thing heats up really fast. So, I'm just not gonna do it instantly. I'm gonna do it when I'm starting to make the dough. I've got myself a bowl, again. What next? So now I need to mix in some stuff together. I need to sift together some flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. I'm way too lazy to sift it, so I'm just gonna whisk it. Still works. Starting with the flour, the sugar, that's vice versa. Actually, this is the flour, this is the sugar. Now I'm going to take my whisk and whisk that together. Hi. Cinnamon and nutmeg. So we need ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg. There we go. I'm going to put the stuff away now. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's done for now. It's crumbly enough. Now I'm just going to put that butter away. Now I need to add the eggs until it's smooth. I already got all my ingredients out. Last time I really struggled getting this open, and now I got it open quite easily. I need an egg. Only one? No, I need two. Now there's egg on the floor. That's not good. This was not according to plan. Ah, paper towel. It's raining. It's literally raining paper towels. Alright, just clean that up quickly, because that's a problem. one more. I choose you because this one's pretty big. There. This is quite annoying to work with. Smooth. That is not smooth at all. Get off me. So I'm gonna go grab the milk. I just got milk from the pantry, like any normal person does. How much milk do I need? A cup. That looks very liquidy. Are there any other ingredients I have to add? No, this is very smooth. It says 1 cup and 2 eggs. That's kind of strange. Why could it be doing this? Maybe I just need to mix it more. You know what? I'm getting tired of this. I'm gonna hire someone to mix it for me. Our good old friend the blender is back. Now I'm just gonna wait for this stuff to spin off. Ah! I've been attacked. So, yeah. This looks like cake batter more than anything. It's not good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some more flour. Yeah, I know, I can already hear the shouts of anger. I can already hear the hate comments, even though this isn't gonna be posted on YouTube. But guess what? I don't want literal I don't want this to be a disaster. I think I might know why. I only put 4 of these in. Not the right amount that I was supposed to. So I just need to put another 4 of these in. That should work, right? I'll just put in 2 at a time. Now I'm just gonna wait for this stuff to spin off. Ah! I've been attacked. Okay. Who knew that donut batter could be so evil? I certainly didn't. I'll be right back. I'm back. The batter is still not thick enough, so... And also it kind of exploded all over me. Now I'm just gonna wait for this stuff to spin off. Ah! I've been attacked. So I just changed my hoodie and I'm gonna add these 2 and see what happens. I'm gonna need a normal spoon to mix now. I'm back and it's very doughy now. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, get a floured surface so I can get this out. So I'll be right back. Alright, I've been working with the dough. As you can see, my hands are covered in flour, which is like flour, except flour. And there's the dough. it's very doughy. So I added in the rest of the flour and stuff, and it worked out, and everything was fine, and I mixed it all in, and now it's just this dough, which is very doughy. So I'm going to now make the donut shapes, so I'm going to come back when I make them. Hey Mom, can you come help me?
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let's see. What do you need help with?
I just want to see if this is turning
First,
on.
you need to turn it on. See, like.
I want it to be at 370.
One thing. Look at this is unplugged.
That's fine.
It has a very short cord for safety. So it heats up very quickly. I don't know how many minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was my mom, everyone. This is where you're supposed to start clapping. Okay. So I'm just going to wait for that oil to warm up a bit. And what I'm also doing here is I have some melted butter. I probably mentioned this earlier, and some cinnamon sugar. Alright, so the oil's gotten hot enough that it's actually, one of the donuts is actually floating. I put them in. And the other ones, I think it might be stuck. Yeah, the other one was stuck. So now they're both floating. And I'm just going to let them sit in there for a bit. Occasionally flipping them to see what the other side looks like. Until they're a nice golden brown color. And then I'm going to just do a quick test where I cut one of them and see if it's cooked all the way through. So I believe this deep fryer only goes to 370. And it is kind of old, so I'm not sure if the oil's not hot enough yet, if it's still heating up somewhat. Or maybe it's just because like I've set a timer for a while and they're still not turning that golden brown color that they should be. We are having a quick special guest. Meet Jasper. Alright, you can go now. It is now 8 o'clock, and I'm still doing this. Alright, it's now about 8:19. I started this video around 5:15, so it's been 3 hours about, and here's the finished product. Yay! Now it's way later and they're done. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.